Celesta's debut workshop. So today it's much awaited day because we have a live disassembly of telescope by Abhay, and he'll be going through telescopes in detail.
The light enters from an infinite distance. The mirror is of concave and parabolic. Basically, it's parabolic because parabolic mirrors converge more, catch more photons and converge light at the same.
Now, I will disassemble this telescope. I have taken it apart. And wait, I'll show it from inside. So this is how it looks from inside. So the only part blocking the light is this thing. Only this little bit is blocked. Otherwise the light enters from here, here and here. This is a concave mirror. I can't open that other telescope because it's very big and I can't handle it alone. This is how the mirror looks. And this is how the inside of the tube looks. So this is how it looks from inside. It is big. I will show some images which I have captured using this telescope.
So, hey guys, I'm Anirudh, secretary here at Celesta, and coincidentally today there's a launch and we'll be discussing about the launch today and going through the basics of it. I'll be teaching you guys on different stages of the launch. It stands for Communication Satellite 3. Now, this workshop was on astronomy, but rockets and satellites is a big part of astronomy, mainly because rockets help us reach outer space in real life, and we get to learn about it in more detail. For example, we learnt about telescopes from Abhay, which are present in the ground. But we do know, right? We have James Webb Space Telescopes, we have Hubble and a lot more space telescopes which are present in the space and is rotating over there and capturing a lot of images. So these solid rocket boosters are made up of solid material which burn and combust, and once they are ignited, they can't be stopped and they are ignited forever until all the fuel is depleted.
2, 1, 0. S200 motors ignited, plus 5 seconds.
So we can see that the solid rocket boosters have been ignited, followed by the liquid stage over here in the middle. And one special feature of the solid rocket booster is that they always ignite with the orange flame.
Sure. Thanks a lot, Anirudh. Just before we finished, Abhay would like to showcase some of his photos and videos that he has taken while taking pictures of space. So, Abhay, you could go ahead.
So this is a video. It is one of my most favorite video. I was capturing the sun that day, and suddenly it was around lunchtime. I went inside, turned off my camera, closed my telescope, went inside, and I was reviewing the footage that day, and I found this thing. It is called filament eruption or solar flare, which is released from the surface of sun due to its velocity and fusion. It has mass, and we we think of seeing planets and everything from telescopes feels like real and so detailed, but it's not. It like when you first time open your telescope and watch it in the sky, it feels like this. There is not enough detail in everything. You'll be frustrated, like sitting around and capturing. But best part, that is the best thing about telescopes. It like you can discover many things with it and see the details which normal people hadn't seen.